Make sure the slot height is appropriate for the child. For a rear-facing seat, the straps need to be at or below their shoulders. Make sure the latch strap is routed properly and it is the right side up. These arrows point up. Some of them it doesn't matter. Make sure it clicks and it's secure. Same with the other side. Pull on it, make sure it's snug. Remove the cover at the belt path so you can pull the latch strap inside the belt path. Put your weight on the seat and tighten the strap. Hold on, honey. If you can't get it tight enough, look out, babe. You can kneel on the seat. It's gonna be okay. Make sure the seat doesn't move 1 inch at the belt path. Tuck the cover back in. And that's it.
Don't pull on the dog.